गुड इवनिंग दोस्तों। आज अपनी स्टडीज को लेकर एक टॉपिक मुझे समझ में आया, उस पर आपसे बात करने के लिए आया हूँ। हम जो भी करते हैं, regardless of whether the question concerned is to climb the corporate ladder up and up, or any kind of, in case of any kind of job, if at all the question concerned is yours climbing up to reach up to your goal, one thing that matters a lot is none other than this vision. What is your vision? That decides which is indeed your right place. You'll reach and either shine as a star, or even after reaching your goal, the clear-cut marks of unsatisfaction with yourselves will be visible. That ultimately comes to the vision of yours and vision of others about you. It's a matter that matters a lot, and that's why only the antaism content that appealed me to this very high extent. I tried to probe in deep what actually is the basic behind vision. I have found that one always has two constituents or ingredients of vision. There are only two constituents of your vision, or ingredients of your vision. First one and second one. First is emotive. If the element is emotive, or the constituent is emotive, your personality will be something else, and which is quite elaborated on this board, that emotive element is always composed of emotions. That indeed the base of this ingredient is emotions, and that's why its name is emotive, based upon emotions. And these emotions actually, from where they derive, this is the question. These are based upon sentiments and derived from inner sight and values. आप अपने अंदर जो रखते हैं नजरिया, और जो आपने डिसाइड की होती है कि ये वैल्यूज हैं, वैल्यूज होती हैं, क्या आपको उन वैल्यूज को हमेशा अपने ऊपर सुपर इम्पोज रखना चाहिए, या many a times if you are supposed to get in transverse, or say transit position from one variety to the other, this is your choice. But emotive ingredients are indeed emotion based, quite clear by their name, and these are based upon sentiments and derived from inner sight and your values. What are the values which you value? सामाजिक प्रतिमान, social standards. Okay, होंगे कुछ. And the second one, that is found among most of the successful persons, they are logic based. Everything in them finds out the logic. इसके पीछे लॉजिक क्या है? And that's why only these logical ingredients are based upon two questions: what it is and what it has to be, or what it should be. ये क्या है, एक्चुअली इसे क्या होना चाहिए, दोनों के बीच में एक कंपैरिजन. And that's why I have mentioned what it is versus what it should be. ये क्या होना चाहिए. This is really magical factor. Let me repeat my words again. This ingredient indeed is a magical factor which brings about the magical facts in someone's personality, if at all. His vision is based upon the logical ingredients, logical constituents. And logical constituents are derived from none other than interaction and conversation. Discussion. Two things. इंटरेक्शन सिंपल बोलचाल है, उसमें आपका कल्चर है, फिर वहां ये सिलेक्ट करते हैं आप कि भाई इंटरेक्शन हो रहा है, फ्रेंडली है, क्या चीज कहें क्या ना कहें. मैंने अपनी क्लास में एक बार प्रीपोजिशंस पढ़ा रहा था. प्रीपोजिशन जनरली किसी सेंटेंस के बीच में आता है, लेकिन मैंने अपने बच्चों को बताया वहां एक इवेंट ऐसी हुई कि किसी को वैल्यू करना था, डेमो क्लास थी, तो मेरे स्टूडेंट ने जो मैंने बताया था वो उसने पूछ लिया उससे कि सर कैन a preposition be used at the end of the sentence? Can it be the terminating part of the sentence, terminating word of the sentence? The person who was on the stage to deliver the demo lecture said no. And all of a sudden, the sentence, typical sentence that I had put, she remembered it and she spoke. He dislikes being talked about. Magic. ये लॉजिक है. कोई चीज कहीं भी हो सकती है, लेकिन होती तो क्यों होती है? What it is versus what it should be. ये जो है वो प्रीपोजिशन है, बीच में आता है, लेकिन बाहर आ सकता है, पीछे भी आ सकता है, आगे भी आ सकता है. This is one of the citation. Anyway, so logical ingredient, it is based upon, it's always based upon what it is versus what it should be, what it has to be, what it must be. And wherever the contrast between these two ultimately changes at this part, should be is altered with must be, and at last has to be, होना चाहिए, होना ही चाहिए. That brings about the logic, real logic. Real logic with three stages: should be, must be, and has to be. Should be here, must be here, and has to be above all. होना ही चाहिए. This is logical ingredient. And the result, ये जो यहाँ है emotive ingredient जिनमें prominent है, they are unaware of what we are, unaware of both what we are and what we can become. हम क्या हैं और हम क्या बन सकते हैं, ये दोनों चीजों से अनजान होते हैं, क्योंकि इमोशन है. नहीं भाई हम तो कुछ भी हो, ऐसे ही रहेंगे, ऐसे ही रहेंगे तो रहिए. And second one, they are aware of, logical persons are always, logic based persons are always aware of. This is actually the characteristic feature of the persons along with logic, always logical, that they have two questions only, always superimposing over them, superimposing them. What? First one is how much high we climbed, हम कितना ऊपर पहुंचे, and how to climb still more, अभी और चढ़ने के लिए क्या करें, और भी चढ़ना है. लॉजिक, यहाँ बीच में लॉजिक आता है कि अभी तक क्या किया और अब आगे और क्या करना है, अभी तक क्या पाया और इससे आगे और क्या करना बाकी है. इन लोगों के केस में हमेशा सब कुछ बाकी रहता है, इन लोगों के केस में फुल स्टॉप होता है. तो ये लोग जो हैं, ये लोग ये यहीं स्टैग्नेंट रहेंगे। ये लोग जो बाकी है उसकी तरफ देखते हैं, ये चीज तो यहां आ गई, हाउ मच वी हैव क्लाइंब्ड। अब आगे हाउ टू क्लाइंब स्टिल मोर, सीधा सीधा, सीधी स्टेयर भी नहीं होती, इनकी स्टेयर थोड़ी ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल पर होती है और इसके बाद फिर ऊपर चलती है। See the difference. This is full stop. This is represented as full stop, and this is represented as continued arrow upward. So, finally, let me repeat the last one. Those who have emotive ingredient in their vision, those who have emotive ingredient in their vision are based upon sentiments and derived from inner sight and values. And these two, they are inner sights, limited thinking, and which values, restriction. This limited vision बताता है ये, और ये restrictions बताता है कि भाई इससे आगे कुछ नहीं हो सकता। इन लोगों के केस में ये होता है, more than this nothing can happen. And here there is no final height. इन लोगों के केस में लॉजिकल इंग्रेडिएंट always make them recall themselves that there is a contrast, direct contrast between what it is and what it should be, what it must be, what it has to be. So these are derived from interaction and discussion. इंटरेक्ट करते हैं तो भी संभल के करते हैं, कोई भी चीज टच ना हो, टच ही नहीं होना चाहिए, सब कुछ सुपरफिशियल हो। इंटरेक्शन है, बात कर रहे हैं, क्या जरूरी है किसी को टीज करें? मे बी ही डिसलाइक्स बीइंग टॉक्ड अबाउट द टॉपिक दैट वी हैव स्टार्ट, वी आर प्रोन टू स्टार्ट, मे बी ही डिसलाइक्स बीइंग टॉक्ड अबाउट, इसके बारे में बात करना पसंद ना करता हो। दिस इज देयर लॉजिक, एंड लॉजिक always lets them be not just friendly, humble, but also synchronizing. What happens? They are unaware of what they are, what they can become, both the things. And here logical ingredient based vision, those who have this kind of personality along with logical ingredient based vision, they are aware of how much high we climbed and how to climb still more. तो वो still more वहां पहुंच जाएंगे तो स्टॉप नहीं लगेगा, still more and so on. Good night.